Dean of Research at our Presidency University, Dr. Rameshwar. He is the man who is behind a lot of innovations, and a lot of students really idolize him like anything. But this video is the most special video, and that is why we have got wonderful background. And sir is looking as handsome as always with his coat and maroon tie. Sir,
Yes, boss.
I have heard something where you haven't shared it with many people, and you feel that it is not you are saying that no, more achievement has to be done. But what has Stanford University done, sir? Please tell us. It is fantastic.
No, the thing is, see, they've done a great job of compiling the notable work that has been done by academicians, scientists, and many students and many others, which has really made it big in the world in terms of transformation of life itself, right, in different areas. They have documented the articles and the authors of those articles in various disciplines, like it can be medicine, it can be engineering, it can be your arts. So again in engineering it's computer science, mechanical engineering, material science, so on. So I think for about last 2 decades or so, I think they've done that survey. So it really makes me very happy because close to around 3,300, close to around that, if I remember, Indians. We Indians, we are all there. Our names are all mentioned. And it's really nice to feel that. Okay.
And in the whole world, you are the second person where your researches have been read by most of the people.
No, not like that. See, what happens is this again is a documentation indicating the citations. That means citations means how many times your paper is being referred and so on. Or in other way, it is one of the, I don't say it is the only way, it is one of the measures of really understanding what has happened to the research or the outcome of the research, what publications or books, book chapter, whatever it is, how useful it is to others. And or in other way, what is the impact of your work? Okay, so it's really good because at least I find that being having worked in private universities, throughout my career, or private engineering college and so on, I have been very, I should say, very fortunate to have to have got very good students working under me. And I tell you, all this whatever you are talking about, this Stanford, the documentation and so on, I owe everything to my students because at the end of the day, it is my students' contribution under my guidance. So actually, I am very happy that in a way my students' work has been recognized.
Wow.
See,
Correct.
that is I am very happy, and I also sincerely thank the funding agencies.
Okay.
See, because as of now, I have been fortunate to have worked, funded projects close to around 2 crore funded projects, like Department of Science and Technology, ISRO, then NRB, that is NRB, Naval Research Board, and then ARDB, and CVRD. Okay, so some of the work that has come out of these projects are definitely really worth mentioning, and it's because of the fund provided by these government agencies. We were able to come out with I should say good quality publications.
Correct.
Because at the end of the day, if you want to publish, the investigation need to be at depth, and all those investigations, it will cost you
Actually.
money, right? So if you have to get into a detailed investigation, it involves a lot of money. And I'm very fortunate and I'm very, very thankful to all the funding agencies and in particular Government of India, for providing me the funding and great opportunities to contribute in the field of tribology, metal matrix composites, and then finite element analysis, and 3D and 3D printing, that's rapid prototyping, and as well as product development. And also recently, I think we have also worked on the thermal spray coating. So all these, thrust areas, what I look at, these are all, where we are able to get some funding, and so I owe everything, like whatever you're talking about, the listing and so on. I owe definitely to Government of India and all the funding agencies, and like this, there are many authors who will also agree with me that without the support of the government and other agencies, I don't think we would not been there. So therefore, I'm really happy, and this also gives us further motivation, right, to do much better things, much better research, or and motivate, and further motivate bunch of youngsters, and
Actually, you know what? You were being humble enough to say that you owe it to your students. But I should be telling
Funding
here,
and the funding
and the funding, of course,
funding agencies.
yeah, funding agencies and the government of India and everything. But what I will also put up a point here is, it's not just your students, but it's the students worldwide.
Okay, but at the end, that's what I'm trying to tell. See, all these days, people were um, looking at research in a different, from a different angle. People are not looking at end product and so on. Now everybody is looking at how you convert or how you translate your research into products and so on. Now it's picking up in a very big way, and everybody is getting motivated to go in for more patents, and then commercialization of the patents. Okay, rather than just publishing also. So because this definitely gives you a lot of confidence in what you are doing and what you can do in future.
And
That's a big
also,
difference.
one important point here, sir. See, what I always feel is, so intelligent person like you should have been, kind of been called by the other universities abroad and all that. They would have definitely called you. But I am so happy that you are sticking to your roots in India. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
See, in fact, my first visit was in 1990 when I went to US. Okay, and I went for a conference and got an opportunity in University of Wisconsin Milwaukee, and in fact they offered me, and it would have been 30 years, almost 1990, yeah, 31 years. I would have been there, but I had a different mindset. I thought I should be doing something different, and I'm now, when I turn back, I am very happy and I'm very proud that my decision was right, and I have proved myself very right, and I've been able to set up good laboratories for the benefit of students, in different universities and different private colleges and so on. And through this, I also had a lot of exchange from Sweden. I was able to send a bunch of students to Sweden. Parnail is my partner there. Likewise, we also have a good collaboration with University of Bournemouth University, UK. And the one which I was talking with about Parnail is University West. In fact, I am trying to connect our team Vikasana with Parnail. In fact, so I have communicated to him. So that way, research definitely gives you a lot of openings, a lot of avenues to see that our young minds, build a very strong career in the field they choose. That's very important. So definitely, and this sort of recognitions will also enable us to have better collaborations for the benefit of our students. So that's all.
Sir, this is the right time, I think, to kind of conclude on the video by talking about your family little, sir. Because without that curd rice and that sambar rice, your researchers wouldn't have been possible. Late night waking up, your family, sir. Please.
Yeah, so see, for about two and a half decades, I've been working almost 16, 17 hours a day because I have guided around 16 PhDs also, in addition to working on these projects, funded projects. So I'm very much indebted to my wife, who has been caring so much, and it's almost 29 years, okay. And my son now is around 28 years. Now he's in US, okay. And she has been my wife has been the backbone for my family, and it's just an understanding that one one is workaholic at workplace, and other is equally workaholic at home.
Oh,
So I
yeah,
think
actually.
that's what I'm trying to.
No, because it's very rare, sir. Because we, especially people at home, if they don't understand what we really want, it's not happening. Sir, can we know her name?
Yeah, she is Indira, okay. And my son name is Arvind. Yeah.
Right.
So he is.
I can see the blush on your face when you tell her name.
He is, my son works for Samsung, so he's a computer science engineer. And my daughter-in-law is also working for the same company.
Right, sir. Really happy and always motivated and energetic to talk to you. Please keep inspiring youngsters like us. And so shall I say youngsters like us?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Right,
You're
please.
always young, right?
Yeah,
You're
thank
always
you,
young.
sir. Please keep inspiring us, and all love and respect to Indira ma'am also.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, ma, thank you. Yeah, nice.